From the Kalburgi district of Karnataka, this farmer earns lakhs of rupees by farming on just 3.5 acres of land. Yes, you heard it right. Interestingly, he doesn't rely solely on farming practices. Instead, he utilizes technology, sustainability and the knowledge of the experts. Hello and welcome to Krishi Jagran. I am Shruti Savaria, and in today's segment, we will learn more about Lakshmikant Hibare, who has set a new benchmark in turmeric farming. Aged 42, Lakshmikant resides in the Hagraga village of Kalburgi, Karnataka. He started cultivating a barren piece of land 12 years ago, which he converted into a fertile farm. Now he earns lakhs by growing turmeric on that land as a mixed crop. How did he accomplish this exceptional feat? To achieve success, he sought the expertise of the Krishi Vigyan Kendra in Karnataka to purchase 600 kgs of Salem breed turmeric seedlings for Rs 29,000. Then he nurtured soil fertility using organic fertilizers and expert techniques. Soon he was ready to plant the saplings with a gap of 8 feet between the lines and 1.5 feet between the seeds. Now, as they say, when you work with dedication, you surely reap the rewards. That's exactly what happened with Lakshmikant. His produce turned out to be of high quality, which was sold at Rs 30 per kg. He also created his brand name. Now let's understand the techniques he employed to achieve this outcome. Firstly, he irrigated his crop every week using the process of drip irrigation system. This method involves delivering small amounts of water seeping directly to the roots of plants through a network of tubes, pipes and emitters. To protect his crops from diseases, he used neem oil and trichoderma. These are natural allies in safeguarding crops from diseases. Neem oils compound deter pests, curb fungal proliferation and fortify plant immunity. Meanwhile, trichoderma fosters soil health, curbing pathogenic growth and boosting plant vigor. Following these practices diligently, Lakshmikant harvested his first crop after 10 months, yielding an impressive 1.5 tons. And not just that, the Government of India has given quality assurance to it. The experts observed that the turmeric had a high curcumin content, which is present in a quantity of 3.66%. The reason behind this is the unique cultivation method used by Lakshmikant. His turmeric has now reached different marketplaces and people. He not only sells it in Karnataka but also in major cities through wholesale via WhatsApp. With rates set at Rs 100 for 250 grams, Rs 200 for 50 grams and Rs 400 for 1 kilogram, he has already sold 700 kilograms expecting an income of Rs 2 lakh. His dedication, hard work and intelligence have been praised by many agricultural officials and scientists. Apart from his agricultural pursuits, Lakshmikant has been engaged in agroforestry for 12 years, cultivating a diverse range of approximately 3,875 plants and trees on his property. He has garnered recognition, including the Krishi Pandit Award and other accolades from banks, newspapers, forums and organizations. Lakshmikant have been nominated for a second term as a member of the Scientific Advisory Committee for UAS Raipur KVK Kalburgi. Additionally, he has been bestowed with 2 national awards. His success story not only highlights the potential of sustainable agriculture but also highlights the importance of using technology, scientific knowledge and traditional wisdoms in farming practices. His story is an inspiration to farmers everywhere, showcasing the power of passion, hard work and innovation in agriculture. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Krishi Jagran for more such stories.